implied probably what the rates will be by the December 18th meeting.
Good morning, traders. I'm watching a trading show, retail traders, and they're talking about the dome, which is over here, and it tells how many contracts are being offered at certain prices and all this, and speculating as to why they're going to see the price move higher. On this trade, I use the ICT method of spotting a fair value gap. We had been going down, but we stopped here. And let me put it on a bigger time frame so you can see it. I marked out a very small fair value gap here. When this started going back up, they were talking about how, oh my gosh, yeah, there's things being offered all the way up here, and just giving all sorts of reasons as to why the price would continue to go up from here. And using the ICT method, we had a fair value gap here. We had one here. Lots of expansion to the downside. I'm thinking this is a retrace. So I marked out that fair value gap as my guide. You can see it respected it. They're expecting it to continue on up for the rest, and I'm expecting it to take out this recent swing low right there. And I used to listen to these guys all the time, and I tried to trade with them, and I usually lost. Since I started using this method, I have more winning days than losing days. My losing days are still quite large because I go on tilt, and so that's what's preventing me from getting funded. But learning to call the market, taking profit, I mean, if you just take that and you do that every time, you don't have to make $1 million. All you got to do is, if you could just make $200 a day, that's $4,000 a month, and on average. So I don't know for sure if this one's going to come and take this out or not, but I just wanted to illustrate how listening to people on YouTube that use a different method than yours can really short circuit your trading. Now, they may be right. This may be going through to the moon, but I'm thinking there are some stops down here that need to be taken out. It might be a little bit too far low. It may be more like right here where these two wicks meet. That might be a better place to put it, but I'm just going to watch it. And it could be that was it, and that just is going to go check them. But I'll get back with you later. Like just right there, if my goal was 250 a day, I could have already taken that, or 200 a day. I could have already taken this off and had my $200 and gone on about my day. All right, folks. As you can see, that fair value gap did get played into a little bit. The bodies did take it out. I was a little nervous. And the talking heads on the show that I was watching were all giving multitude of reasons as why the price was going to really go up. They did, some of them get stopped out by this wick right here, which is what the algos do, is they come take out stops. But after these two candles pushed in and did not completely take out the fair value gap, well, they did. I guess they did take it out. I probably should have killed it then. But I did have this buy side here that was a previous level, and this fair value gap over here that I had marked out. So I went ahead and held. Also had a phone call and kind of stepped away. But as you can see, the market did trade down to where I had marked just previously, netting me $709.70. Now, if I would have marked out another level, if we went to like a 30-minute, we could look at that fair value gap. Maybe it trades down to the consequent encroachment of that, or we could also trade down as far as here. But I'm stopping there for the day. So I just wanted to show you that. And you know, I used to listen to these guys religiously. Since November, I've been listening to them and trying their trading plan. And since I found ICT, it's flipped my trading around. I'm still learning all of his concepts, but definitely trading better. Definitely doing getting closer and closer to passing my trading combine. This month, I was very, very close. I still have uh, combines open that aren't going to reset this month because um, I'd never hit my max loss limit. And I think this is the first month that I've never had hit my max loss limit. So definitely improving. Did not get funded in June as I expected, but I'll get there. It's just having confidence in trades like this. Go ahead and hold them. In a situation like that, you would want to put your stop above the candle that formed the fair value gap, and that does leave you a little bit of stop. I think it was a $370 stop, but it held, and that's what you want. You want it to hold. So, yeah, worked out swimmingly. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. Good luck and good trading.